trendy unboxing. Today we are going to see review of Patanjali Haldi Chandan Anti Body Cleanser. But before that, if you are new to our channel, then be part of our family by clicking subscribe button. So without any delay, let's start. On the packaging, you will able to see the picture of turmeric and chandan, and you will also able to see green dot. Green dot on the product means ingredients used are obtained from vegetarian source. Now let's see what they have given on the rear side of the packaging. They say that it's an Ayurvedic proprietary medicine. They have given the content of it and its base material. For base material, they have given vegetable oil based noodles, Sugandhit Dravya, sodium benzoate, permitted color, aqua. Uses: useful in rejuvenating, nourishing and glorifying the skin. Useful in removing dryness and roughness of skin. Here they have given the net weight of the product, that is 75 gram. Even they have mentioned batch number and manufacturing date. The cost of this product is 15 rupees only. This product is manufactured by Patanjali Ayurved Limited, and they have given the unit address of the product. If you want to give them feedback, then they have given the address as well as email ID. The company have even given the customer care toll-free number. You can even call on that. Now let's talk about its expiry date. It's best before 24 months from the date of manufacture. They have given that herbal composition may result in change in color of the product over a period of time. This does not change the effectiveness of the product. Now let's see why to use this product. We all know that Patanjali have come up with various products in the market, and the best part about the product is that it's an Ayurvedic. Now if I want to talk about soap, then this soap, once you open this soap, it has antibacterial property of turmeric, which is also known as haldi in India, which is a great combination. Is pocket friendly, and you will able to find this soap at nearby market store or any of the general stores. If you have oily skin, then this soap is really meant for you, as it is going to remove excess oil from your face and you will get healthy and glowing skin. Now I am going to open this product for you. This is how soap looks from inside, and the color of the soap is quite attractive, and I'm very impressed with this. This soap makes your skin supple and beautiful, and secondly, the cost of the product is very low. So that's all in this video. If you like this content, do subscribe to my channel and be part of our family by clicking subscribe button. Thank you for your valuable time.